Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change region on Steam. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Steam app on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After updating it, log in using your account and then you will be redirected to this page here. Now click on your name embed at the top of the screen. Here, create your profile and click on this embed here. Now scroll down to the bottom of the screen and change your location to your preference. After you are done, click on Save button at the bottom. And that's how you can change region on Steam. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.